My name is John Cook, and my friends call me Johnny. Pictures are definitely worth 1,000 words. This is really a nice little box. It's easy to make, the materials are nice to work with, and the end result is very consistent. I like working with the Western cedar wood. I get it from Lowe's. I've got to pick through the wood there to make sure that it doesn't have too many knots. I get the white hardboard, eucalyptus hardboard from Home Depot. It's 1/8 of an inch thick. It's really nice to work with too. And when I get parts that I need to paint, the eucalyptus hardboard really paints nice. I have a laser engraver cutter, and I got to tell you, if you're going to work with hand tools, you can take the drawings that are included in the DIY project, and you can take and paste them, print them out at 100%, paste them onto the wood, and you can cut it out with simple hand tools. It really does work. The eucalyptus hardboard is white on one side. It's got an acrylic white finish. And on the other side, I kind of say it's furry. But it really makes good if you're going to do any gluing. That furry side really glues up well. And then the pilot support, it holds that pilot up where it's going to go, while you can take the back of the top and you can glue it to the pilot and it'll be centered. You can center it on your box and then take and put some weight on top. Make sure that it doesn't move. You can make partitions. They're included in the download project. You can make partitions to keep your office supplies in place if that's how you're going to use the box. This cardboard box is really perfect for shipping your finished project. Make sure that it gets there in one piece. Time for a quick coffee break. These net goodies are really good. And I've joined the local EOS, trying to lose some weight. I'm trying to get fit. And this is my trainer, Lou. He's really a good job. He really works the heck out of me. So this is what you've been waiting for. This is the Betsy Ross Flag Top Desk Organizer. It's really to make. Cedar box on the bottom. You know how to make that. A little bit of engraving on the side and the ends, or you can use a stencil. You can use whatever you want. On the top, I cut these parts out with the eucalyptus whiteboard. I painted them, and then I glued them to the top of the box. I think it really makes for a nice project. Everything is included in the do-it-yourself download, so you really need to take a look at that at the end of the video. This Betsy Ross Desktop Organizer is really made the same way the box is. It's just the sides, the top, and the end pieces have some decoration. You could probably stencil it, find the stencils on Etsy, or you can go to Amazon. But it's really a pretty easy project. You can cut out the blue and the red pieces out of the eucalyptus whiteboard. You can glue them to the top. And when you're all done, a couple of quick coats of urethane, and you got yourself the perfect patriotic gift, or it can sit on your desk and make a statement. The instant download is really money well spent. And if you don't feel you want to make a project like this, but you'd just like to buy the organizer, so you've got it for your desk, it's really a perfect patriotic gift too. So I think whether you want to make a statement at work on your desk or at home, or organize, maybe you would just want to put some candy or dog treats in it. This is really the perfect little product. So take a look. You can scan the QR code and go right to my shopping site on Etsy.